Kaiju File 8 Dogora. Dogora is a jellyfish-like alien kaiju. It spent many years floating along the outer reaches of Earth's atmosphere unnoticed. Its presence first became known when it destroyed a television satellite and the explosion mutated the creature. The force of the blast pushed it down to Earth, and the creature had to find a new source of nourishment. Over the first few days of Dogora's descent, mysterious heists of diamonds and jewels were turned up by the Tokyo Police Department. Each instance proved to be more perplexing than the last. One of the events had a 2-foot-thick stainless steel safe door melted through like wax. In another incident, a witness reported an armored car floating in the air before it was dropped and smashed. A detective by the name of Komai and a professor named Munakata joined forces to investigate. Smashing through one of the scientist's home windows, a Dogora space cell attached itself to a safe door. The metal was burned through with little effort, and the creature fed on the synthetic diamonds that the professor had created. After another incident involving the destruction and theft of a few hundred tons of coal at a factory, Munakata made a startling conclusion about all the past events. All the robberies involved diamonds and coal, both of which were very strong carbon-based structures. Together, the professor and the detective informed the military, who then staged defense grids around nearby coal plants. As Dr. Munakata arrived at Dogora's next likely target, unidentified objects began to show on radar. A swarm of wasps was attacking Dogora in retaliation for the disturbance of their hives in the mines, and as they attacked, solid crystal sections of the monster began to fall to the city below. Over Dakaiwan Bay as night fell, evacuation orders were put into effect as the jellyfish-like monster began to descend from the sky. The self-defense force fired to no avail. The monster continued to absorb carbon-based materials wherever they could be located, and the abomination even destroyed the Wakado Bridge in the process. The military continued to unleash their artillery at the alien creature, and succeeded in momentarily silencing their foe. Unfortunately, the creature was only undergoing mitosis. It was later found that when Dogora was stung by the wasps, the venom caused a chemical reaction that crystallizes the space cell. Analysis of the crystallizing effect of the wasp venom on Dogora at the Medical Substance Laboratory proved successful, and mass production was soon ordered all around the world for the creation of a similar toxin. Several days passed before the translucent terrors would return. Consuming piles of carbon-rich coal, the floating creatures had no idea what was in store for them. With the information provided by Dr. Munakata, the armed forces dropped aerial canisters of liquid venom from helicopters. Also, they equipped mobile towers with exhaust containers of the same yellow gas. Together, the combined tactics overpowered the Dogora cells, turning them all into crystallized rocks and ending their reign of destruction once and for all.